Who has your ear? Who has your ear? You don't understand how important it is to monitor who you listen to. Um, says faith comes by hearing, and by hearing the word of God. Not just by hearing the word of God does faith come. Faith comes by hearing people that you trust. Literally, if you are listening to these people on a consistent basis, taking their advice, there's a level of trust. That means that certain things do not get filtered through, that you just take at face value just because you trust them. And it is detrimental to your growth, to your destiny, to your purpose, to God's plan for you. So I just implore you to check who you're listening to. Test the spirit by the spirit. You have to test their spirit by the spirit of God, not by your spirit, not by you.